So we are now in the blocks editor, and we are going to create the code corresponding to the buttons. So what we want to basically do is for each of these two buttons, whenever that is clicked, we want to play the corresponding sound file. So if the button C is clicked, we want to play 1.wav. If the D key is touched rather, we want to play 2.wav. Now, so we basically want this block and this block. So when button 1 is clicked, we want to play a sound. When button 2 is clicked, we want to play a different sound. So one easy way of doing this is each time when a button is clicked, I set the source of this sound component to the corresponding file. So when button 1 is clicked, I set the source to 1.wav, which is the sound file name that I want to play, and then I just play it. Now we can just change it a little bit and change the source file to 2.wav and play that when button 2 is clicked. Now this will work, however this is not the best way of writing this code. A better way is to take out this block which we are repeating basically over here and separate it out and create a procedure out of it. A procedure is when you create a sequence, you basically create one block out of multiple blocks and then just reuse that block. Whenever you have repetition like this going on, going with a procedure instead of repeating the code like this is always a better option. Over here we will have 8 keys, so you can technically repeat all the code, all these 2 lines for all the 8 keys, and that'll work. However, that's not the way we should be working in this project, because if we want to add onto this, as we will do later on in this project, then we will have to repeat it multiple times as opposed to creating a procedure. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to write the code corresponding to this, playing these sounds corresponding to the button clicks using a procedure, and not do it like this.